Hello, so let's finish up our trig review. We're on number 10. It says find the measure of theta. So if this is theta, then the trig ratio that I'll use, I have options of sine, cosine, or tangent. Well, notice that this side here, the ones that I'm given, the 2, that's basically my x side, and 7 would be my r side. So between the 3 of these, which trig function uses x and r? That would be cosine. Another way to look at it is, if you want to think so, ka, toa, well, from theta's perspective, 2 would be not the opposite, but the adjacent side. And then r would be my hypotenuse. So which one uses a and h? Again, that would be cosine. So I'm going to set it up using cosine of theta equals x over r, or a over h. That would be 2 over 7. Awesome. So we've set up our equation, but now I need to get theta by itself. I'm trying to solve for the angle. So in order to do the inverse, I need to get rid of cosine here. I'll need to use the inverse of cosine, which has a really easy name. It's called inverse cosine. So to move cosine to the other side and get theta by itself, I'm left with theta equals cosine inverse of 2 over 7. At this point, I just need to plug all this stuff into a calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my calculator, do 2 divided by 7. So iPhone people, you'll want to do 2 divided by 7, hit enter. And then you'll notice that right here is my cosine button, but I don't want cosine, I want to use inverse cosine. So hit second, and now cosine inverse has popped up. Oh, as you can see, my calculator doesn't work like backwards like an iPhone. So iPhone people, that should have worked for you, but Androids, I'm going to hit cosine inverse, 2 divided by 7. Android people, yours will look like mine. And the answer is 73.398. Rounding to 2 decimal places, I get theta equals 73.40 degrees. And we're finished.